Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I just made a video about bullets and adding bullets. And the bullet is a wingding font. Well, it doesn't even show up, but because our font is Arial. So if we just start typing, then we can type in an Arial font. But this is still a wingding symbol. So let's just start all over. Let's select that and hit delete. Grab your text tool without touching anything on the screen and go right here and let's change it to GeoSlab, paragraph text, okay. Now we can draw a paragraph text. You have to grab the text and not the rectangle tool. There's our still wingding, but now our font is GeoSlab. So it's whatever your paragraph text is, and you can change that. You know, there's some other symbols inside of all text. Well, not all text, I wouldn't think, but you know, if you go right here and we're in wingdings and you just go to wingdings 2 and you could get the pin, you know, you can select any of their, you know, that would be a pretty good bullet right there. So when you do that, it's going to come up with that every time. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. So it doesn't matter what the font is, your bullet is going to be whatever symbol font you picked. Hope that helped. Thank you.